Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars here. So now let's check the first one. A nice excavator, you can see here. Hero Iron Man, black color. Racing car, number 9. How about this one? Police car, red color. Mini crane, extrude crane. How about this one, everybody? Cement mixer truck. Okay, Hero Captain America, this one. Mini bulldozer, a nice bulldozer. About this one, school bus, yellow color. 4-wheel motorbike, a nice 4-wheel motorbike. Forklift. How about this one, ambulance? Okay, everybody, let's move to another interesting truck. Now check the first one, racing car, red color. Police super motorbike, you can see number 911. A truck, a nice truck. Mini monster truck. How about this one, everybody? A different one. A broken monster truck. You can see only 2 wheels. A broken monster truck. Air drum bus. Excavator, extrude excavator. How about this one? Extrude ladder truck. Mini ladder truck. Let's check last one. Police supercar, yellow color. Okay, everybody. So now thank you for watching this video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. So now see you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.